Point clipping in computer graphics. Point clipping is a type of clipping operation in computer graphics where only individual points, rather than entire objects, are clipped against a specified region. The goal of point clipping is to determine whether a given point lies inside or outside of the specified region. Some key points about point clipping are: clipping regions. Point clipping operates on a specified region, which can be a rectangle, a polygon, or any other shape. The region defines the area where points are allowed to be displayed, and any points outside of this region are clipped. Point classification. Point clipping starts by classifying the point into one of four categories: inside, outside, on the boundary, or coincident with the boundary of the clipping region. Test against the clipping region. Depending on the classification of the point, it may need to be tested against the clipping region. This can be done using simple mathematical tests, such as point-to-line distance calculations, or using algorithms like the Cohen-Sutherland algorithm. Display or discard. Points that are inside the clipping region are displayed, while points outside the region are discarded. Points on the boundary or coincident with the boundary may or may not be displayed, depending on the specific requirements of the application. Applications. Point clipping is useful in a variety of computer graphics applications, including interactive graphics, image processing, and computer-aided design (CAD) systems. Optimization. Point clipping algorithms can be computationally expensive, especially for large numbers of points. Optimization techniques, such as bounding boxes or spatial indexing, can be used to reduce the number of points that need to be tested during clipping. Point clipping is a simple but important operation in computer graphics and is often used as a building block for more complex clipping algorithms, such as line and polygon clipping. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.